Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to make charcoal at home. And before we begin, I should say be very safe when you do this. If you don't feel you can attempt this safely, then don't even try it at home. But I'm going to show you how to make charcoal at home using foil paper, sticks, and you're just going to put it on a grill. But anyways, you're going to take small pieces of sticks and make sure the sticks are small enough where they fit easily inside your sheet of foil paper. Don't have the sticks where they will be longer or right to the edge of the foil paper. If that's the case, then what you're going to have to do is just break that stick. And you're going to loosely place them inside of the foil paper. Again, if it's a long stick, then take that stick and break it into pieces. Don't ask me what kind of wood this is. I have no idea. But you're going to put it inside the foil paper, and then you're going to loosely, don't overload the sticks inside of the foil paper. Don't try to put too many. You can always reuse the foil paper. But you're going to loosely wrap those sticks inside of that foil paper, and we're going to put this inside the grill. The nice thing about making your own charcoal is that if you wanted to make a piece of charcoal this big, you could. Just make sure, again, that the foil paper is larger than the stick. And you are going to make sure that you wrap loosely. When it's these larger sticks, don't put more than one stick inside of the foil paper. I really like making these larger sticks because of the gestural quality that you can get from a large sheet of charcoal. Anyways, we're ready to go outside. Heated the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And I have my foil paper right here with the sticks. And so I'm just gonna place them inside the grill as such. Now normally I wouldn't do it like this. I'd go ahead and have some fajita on the side, some onions. I wouldn't recommend just, wasting a good fire just for making charcoal. But anyways, we're gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes. Okay, so we're about 8 minutes in, and this is exactly why I wouldn't do this inside. But it lets you know that it's working. All that white smoke, it's the water from the branches that is being expelled. So after it's done cooking, you're gonna open the foil paper up, and all those branches will be black because all the water has been removed from the branches. So that's how you know it's working, that white smoke. So I went ahead and ran the timer for 25 minutes. Let's go ahead and open it up. Like normally what I would do is I would just leave them in overnight, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna try to open one of these up just so you can see that they have already turned into charcoal. And the charcoal it's pretty much like a willow charcoal. It's very hot, so don't do what I'm doing. Don't try to take the charcoal out of the foil paper. What you should do is you should just leave the aluminum foil inside of the barbecue pit and let it cool down overnight. But for the sake of the video, I took a piece out, and I just wanted to show you that it draws very much like a willow charcoal. See, there you go. And it's very brittle, just the way willow is. Compressed charcoal, what compressed charcoal is notice how some of these pieces right here, like they're still a little bit, it may be that it has a few more minutes left of cooking because there are some pieces that are a little bit harder. What willow charcoal is, it's just exactly what I made right now. Compressed charcoal is this same substance, and it's ground up into a powder, and then a binder is added. It's compressed and a binder is added. And this is a box of charcoal of times that I've made charcoal previously. You can see that there are pieces of branches here. I really enjoy these larger pieces because of the marks that they can make on the page. I even try experimenting with different blending media. Like this is just this little smiley face. But I love the way that it just created these large marks on the paper. So there you have it. I hope you found this demonstration useful. The pieces of foil themselves, be very careful when you open them up. if the air hits the charcoal, they will turn into embers, and it's a fire hazard. So be careful in how you handle those pieces of foil after they've allowed to turn into charcoal. The sticks are turning into charcoal. I would recommend you just leave them in the grill and let the grill cool down, or move the foil paper to a safe spot so that it's not a fire hazard. It's difficult for us to get into stores right now. Hobby Lobby's closed, Michael's, you have to order online and pick it up curbside. And so I wanted to make this video just to help you, through these times. I want you to start considering around your house media that you have at home that you may not have considered as drawing media. Like, think of old makeup, think of motor oil, the burnt edges of a tortilla. Anything that can be used to make a mark can be used to make art. And so I wish you the best health, and I hope your creativity abounds in this interesting time that we're in. So take care.